Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your background in Zoom Workplace step by step. First, open Zoom Workplace on your computer and start a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button and then click Start to begin the meeting. If your computer does not have a camera, don't worry. You can still open the background settings and choose a virtual background in Zoom Workplace. After the meeting starts, click the small arrow next to the video button. From the menu, select Backgrounds and Effects. On the right side, the Backgrounds panel will open. Here you will see different virtual background options available in Zoom. First, click the Blur option. This will blur your background and help hide the area behind you. Next, you can choose any of the built-in backgrounds, such as the bridge background, the nature background, the beach background, or any other available background. Simply click on a background, and it will be applied instantly. You can switch between different backgrounds at any time during the meeting. If you want to use your own photo, click the Add button and choose Add Image. Select a picture from your computer and click Open. Zoom will automatically apply your selected image as the virtual background. If you want to remove the virtual background, click the None option. This will return to the default background. After choosing the background you want, simply close the Backgrounds panel. Your selected background will remain active during the meeting. That's how you can change your background in Zoom Workplace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.